Hola amigos, I'm Cabri, your local guide to the wonders of Spain. Welcome back to our west, central and northern Spain journey. We've been on an incredible adventure, uncovering the rich history and vibrant culture of Burgos, León, Palencia, Valladolid, Salamanca, Avila, Toledo and the bustling city of Madrid. If you're just joining us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to catch up on the journey so far. But today we're turning the spotlight on a new gem, the enchanting city of Logroño. Nestled in the heart of Spain's famed Rioja wine region, Logroño is a city that charms with its medieval streets, lively food scene and, of course, its world-class wines. From bustling local markets to serene parks, from iconic cathedrals to lively tapas bars, Logroño is a city that promises a journey of discovery at every turn. So buckle up, amigos, as we dive into the captivating city of Logroño. ¡Vamos! Our first stop in Logroño is the local market, Mercado de Abastos. This bustling hub is an explosion of colors, smells and sounds reflecting the city's vibrant pulse. It's here in the heart of the city that you can truly experience the essence of Logroño's culinary culture. Rows upon rows of stalls are brimming with fresh fruits, vegetables and local delicacies. The air is filled with the chatter of vendors, selling everything from succulent olives to aromatic spices and the delicious scent of freshly baked bread. As we weave through the crowd, we chat with the friendly vendors who greet us with warm smiles and generous samples. Each stall is a unique story, a window into the life of the people who call this city home. And it's not just about the food. The market is a social hub, a meeting place, a space where the community comes together. Don't miss the chance to interact with the friendly vendors and savor the authentic flavors of the region. Next up on our must-see list is the iconic Calle del Laurel. Often referred to as the belly of Logroño, this vibrant stretch is bursting with life, color, and most importantly, flavor. Calle del Laurel is not just a street, it's a gastronomic wonderland. A place where the city's love for pinzos, the local version of tapas, comes to life. As we saunter down this lively lane, we're greeted by a tantalizing array of pinzos bars, each boasting a unique menu that showcases the culinary prowess of the region, from traditional bites like the gilda, a skewer of olives, anchovies and guindilla peppers, to innovative creations that push the boundaries of pinzos. There's a bite for every palate. So do as the locals do, grab a glass of crisp local wine, embark on a pinzos crawl and savor the flavors of Logroño. Join the locals as they hop from one tapas bar to another, indulging in the exquisite small bites that make this street a culinary haven. For a cultural immersion, head to the Museo de La Rioja. Nestled within the heart of Logroño, this museum is a portal to the past, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Riojan history. As you wander through the galleries, you'll encounter a diverse collection of artifacts, from prehistoric relics to contemporary art, each piece telling a unique story of the region's evolution. The museum beautifully encapsulates Riojan art, showcasing a range of styles, from the vibrant hues of modern paintings to the austere elegance of ancient sculptures. But it's not just about art. The Museo de La Rioja also delves into the region's traditions, offering insights into the customs and practices that have shaped the local culture. This journey through time provides a deeper understanding of the rich heritage that defines Logroño and the surrounding region. It's a perfect place to deepen your understanding of the rich heritage that defines Logroño and the surrounding region. The fourth must-see spot is the stunning Concatedral de Santa María de la Redonda. This architectural marvel, nestled in the heart of Logroño, is more than just a place of worship. It's a testament to the city's rich history and the artistic prowess of the bygone era. As you approach this massive structure, you're greeted by its majestic twin towers, a hallmark of its imposing Gothic exterior. But step inside, and you'll find yourself in a world of exquisite Baroque detailing. From the intricately carved altarpiece to the awe-inspiring frescoes, every corner of this cathedral tells a story. And it's not just about the aesthetics. The Concatedral de Santa María de la Redonda has served as a spiritual epicenter for the people of Logroño for centuries, bearing witness to countless milestones in the city's narrative. So, take your time to appreciate the grandeur of this historical gem. Last but certainly not least, immerse yourself in the serenity of the Parque del Espolón. Nestled in the heart of Logroño, this beautiful urban oasis is a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Here the city's rhythm slows down, allowing you to truly bask in the simple pleasures of life. Picture this: towering trees casting cool shadows, a gentle breeze rustling through the leaves, and the distant hum of the city creating a soothing backdrop. The park is a tapestry of vibrant colors with lush green lawns and blooming flower beds painting a picture of nature's artistry. As you saunter along the winding paths, you'll find yourself by the Ebro River. Its shimmering waters mirror the blue Spanish sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. And then there's the view. The park offers a panoramic vista of Logroño's skyline, a sight that truly captures the city's charm. This picturesque park along the Ebro River is the perfect place to unwind, enjoy a leisurely stroll, or simply take in the breathtaking views of Logroño's skyline. So, dear viewers, those are the top 5 must-see and experience spots in Logroño. From the bustling Mercado de Abastos, where you can taste the freshest local delicacies, to the vibrant pinzos culture of Calle del Laurel. We took a deep dive into the region's history and traditions at Museo de La Rioja, and marveled at the architectural beauty of Concatedral de Santa María de la Redonda. And let's not forget the serene moments spent at Parque del Espolón, a perfect spot to unwind by the Ebro River, each place a unique chapter in the captivating story of Logroño. If you enjoyed this journey, do press the like button and share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join us on more exciting adventures. Stay tuned for our next destination, the wonderful Pamplona. Until then, adios amigos.